Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have a very special video because it is finally time for Goldie box spoilers, and this is going to be item 1 through 4 out of the 12 you could choose from. Goldie box is a seasonal lifestyle subscription box. It is mine. I created it, I curate it, and it is completely customizable. There are no categories, there are no rules really. That's how I wanted it designed. So any level, there's also multiple levels for different budgets, and any level can choose any of these items. So I'm gonna give you the first 4. There's a total of 12, so there'll be 2 more videos coming out in the next week or week and a half. I'm gonna start the first item with a home item, and it is a little bento box from Danica, and it has this really cute fall scene on it. Pretty simple. Perfect size for a little lunch there, and just a cute, really top section of this. It's not one of those like press airtight seals, but it does close, and then you place this on top and it is pretty secure. I wouldn't put soup in it or something is what I mean by airtight seal. This brand is designed in Canada. It's called Danica Jubilee, and your purchase actually supports this educationwithoutborders.ca. So it is one of the give back brands in this box, and I just thought the fall scene was such a cute little scene, and who wouldn't want this in their lunchbox? Whether it's for you or like if you have a child or a spouse or something and you want to send them something kind of like cute and fall. I love the green color as well. And this is made with bamboo fiber and melamine. And then the dimensions are 7.5 by 5 by 2.5, and it holds a total of 30 ounces in here. I pretty much have only ever used it for rice bowls, so I'll do like a layer of rice and then either put fish on top. So if I do like a spicy rice bowl or a poke bowl or something like that, or if I do like a teriyaki bowl. That's really all I've used it for so far, but I'm sure you could use it for anything. Like you could put a little sandwich or something else in there as well. Really cute. I really love the design. I think it's just so fall, and I don't know. I'm obsessed, but also green is my favorite color. The next brand is one of the skincare brands. I already opened it, so I'm not too loud opening it for you, but it is from Dirtbag Beauty, and it comes as a set of four items, I guess, if you count the spoon. Some of their proceeds go to support domestic violence shelters. And so Dirtbag Beauty, this is their Calm Down. And it says soothes and smooths 2-in-1 cleanser and mask kit, toxic free, eco-friendly, and vegan. So this is a vegan product. Inside this bag you will get 4 items. This is a powder because it is really concentrated and also easier to travel with. So a little container with powder, and they actually say that you can mix this with different things for different skin types, so it is actually good for all skin types. You could mix it with honey, you could mix it with water, you could mix it with oil. If you have dry skin, it will mix with oil as well. And then I think their last one was yogurt. You mix it with yogurt if you do a yogurt mask or something like that. So no artificial colors, synthetic free, preservative free, phthalate free, paraben free, made with organic ingredients, and then cruelty free ingredients as well. Really, really cool. You get 5 uses out of this, or up to 5 uses. And then so it's a powder, like I said, if you mix with anything. So it comes with this little bowl and spoon to mix it before you apply. And then this little cloth, let me open her all the way up as well. So the instructions tell you how you can use this as a scrub, which you would put a little bit less into it, and then you're gonna rub it together to activate the powder. And then it says customize with your favorite oil if desired, massage onto your skin in gentle circular motions, avoiding your eye area, and then rinse with warm water. Then to use it as a mask, you're gonna mix it, instead of in your hands, with this bowl, create like a paste and put that on your skin. And then it says you could add honey or oil if desired, and then that you will leave on for 10 minutes. It does have green clay, French green clay, and then it has marshmallow root, matcha green tea, noni fruit. So noni fruit is actually an ingredient that I'm really obsessed with for pain relief, but it also does a lot of other things. But I've used it before in Hawaii when my feet hurt from walking around, and it's a tropical fruit like that. Coconut water, lavender powder, apple cider vinegar, all really, really clean ingredients, all plant-derived ingredients, and you get up to 5 uses with one of these little guys. I'm gonna set it down there. The next product I'm gonna share is a scarf, but it's a blanket scarf, so it's really big and can be used as a small throw blanket as well. Like, it will cover my entire body. I'm a short human though. I'm 5 sub sandwiches tall. So if you're a tall human, it will cover most of your body, but it does cover me pretty well. And then you can still wear it as a scarf, which there's multiple ways to do this. You can look up how to wear a blanket scarf, but I like to just kind of fold it into like a triangle half like that, and then put it over myself like that. So it's like really large in the front. Super warm, super comfy, and if I wear this and go somewhere and want to set it down or set it over myself, I can turn it into a blanket quite easily. It is only going to come in this one color, so it's a really beautiful color, but if it's not your style, this is the only one that I was able to get it in the right amount of quantity. I realized I didn't give you the dimensions. It's 52 inches by 52 inches for this. So it is actually a square, but can be folded in different ways to tie around your neck as a scarf. And then I think it was 100% polyester. I'm unsure because I've tried a few items for you guys, and I think this one was 100% polyester though. I don't see a tag, but if my memory is correct, and if not, I will put it on the screen right now, but I do think that was 100% polyester. The last item is part of a season collection, actually, and I couldn't get over how beautiful it was, so I just had to have it in the fall box. It's a bronzer, which I wouldn't typically consider bronzers fall. That's not normally what I would think of, but I mean, I don't care. I want to look kind of bronzed all the time. So it is from Base Blue Cosmetics, and it has this cute little like fall scene, but what's even better is how the bronzer, because it has multiple shades, this one a little bit darker, and then there's like some lighter ones up there. You can actually do these separately. They swatch them on their hands separately, or you could spin your whole brush in here and pick up all of those nice beautiful shades. This one's going to do a little bit more contouring, so if you wanted to have like a lighter day, you would just steer off of this little piece a little bit more, and if you want to have a darker day, you just stay on this one a little bit more. So depending on where you're putting your brush in this item, you actually have the potential to get a variety of shades. It's also magnetic, so it just clips right back on magnetically like that. This is a cruelty-free brand as well. This is also a vegan product, so if you have any vegan needs, if you are one of my vegan subscribers, you can actually use everything in video one. And like, I literally can't get over how cute, like how much time and effort it took to design this and make that just look so cute. I know you're gonna ruin it with your brush like after enough uses, but I still have mine that I started using when I trialed it, and she's good to go. She's still doing great. So those are your first 4 items. A very gorgeous bronzer, a bento box, a scarf slash throw blanket, small throw blanket. It's also really warm. I've worn it as a blanket as well. And then a little, so it actually can be used as a mask, a scrub, or a spot treatment, because it does have the clay in there. So if you just mix it with water, you could use it as a spot treatment on acne if you wanted to as well. Really cool because it works for multiple types of skin issues. It has a lot of different ingredients for different skin issues, but yeah, really, really cool how versatile that product is from Dirtbag Beauty. And those are your first 4 items. So let me know how you're feeling about the fall box already. I am gonna speed get these videos out to you the best of my ability, but you'll see the other 4 very soon. I see the other 4 right there. So I could film it today if I wanted to, but I want to edit this before I film that one. Let me know how you're feeling based on the first 4 items, or if any of these are definite ones in your box. I always like all the feedback. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!